Might have to get a pair of these. Pretty good, isn't it? Sorry about the Sludge trap. Oh, it's out because they're fucking rounded. That damage wasn't us. Let's drill the fucker out.
I think you could drill the head off. Use a big one, drill the head off, and then we can see what we're working with.
Let's go 10.
Yeah, you're fine.
It's probably blunt over the 8, I think.
What do you do with them?
I haven't sharpened them since I did the Honda, so a long time ago. And I use this a lot on the frame stuff. No. If the sludge trap wasn't Phil, it fucking is now full of swarf.
So I think it's out.
Yeah.
You've got a little way to go.
We've got to get the other one out, yeah. Yummy. So they are steel bolts. Just softer than alloy.
Good way to go. Gently does it.
Full send. I don't know the word gentle.
Clean it up with the Magnate.
Magnetron. Do you want to clean that shit out of the bin? It's got the same hair as Joe. Miss you, Joe. Didn't want you operating it from 4 foot away. It wouldn't be extendable for 4 foot.
Health and safety, mate. You've got to be as far away from whatever you're doing as possible all the time.
Right.
Yeah, we do have a real problem.
We do, because it's still not coming off.
I think you can go a little bit deeper.
That is what she said. Is it a flanged bolt? Or is it just a what? It's a flanged fucking bolt.
Yeah, it is, yeah. I think so. Looks like it, doesn't it?
Come down to Nick's, brought the crank down. Turn up, and you're in the bush. So if you drop the hand, there it goes. You drop the hand, that's time to play every shit. So we've got this out already. Press it out and we'll get a new one. And then hopefully try and sort the mess of these sludge straps out. They are just absolutely fucking seized. Like, I've been beating at these, heating them, trying to drill them out, just everything for like 2 weeks. So hopefully we'll get that done and then try and drill them out. We've got the right size drill bit and we've got a tap, so we'll try and chase the threads through. And then I put in an order with Dragonfly for the replacement ones, but the lead time's like 6 fucking months or whatever it is, so we'll just turn something up.
Yeah, I think so. Oh, it's 6 months for the sludge trap. Oh my god.
Yeah, I know. It was 28 weeks, I think it was.
Yeah. You have a baby in that time?
So I've cancelled that and we're going to turn something up instead. We know what the dimensions should be. We've got pictures of, you know, what they look like for reference. So
I mean, it just needs to be a hollow bolt, right?
Essentially, yeah.
Something that goes in just with a enough to catch the sludge.
And we know what the thread will be. I think it's 20 TPI.
5/8, 20 TPI, yeah.
Yeah. So we'll turn something up, just hollow out the bottom of a bolt to catch all the shit, particularly matter, and job's a good one.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's crack on with that. Hey! First sludge trap plug out. You probably won't be able to see actually.
There's a bit of thread left.
Yeah, there is a bit. We can chase that out mostly.
I think we can
Salvage that.
Yeah, I think so. Nice. bit more, I think we can go.
Looks like it.
Yeah. Alright, and I think
Try and tap it out again like that one.
Yeah.
Get some heat on it like we did.
yeah, roast it.
Just fucking melt the bugger out.
Should we roast it? Your shit.
Have to split it like we did the first one.
Yeah. Not much good about that torch here.
I'm trying to film torch and also get out of the way when you're whacking. Right, so we've got one of them out. Oh, you can fucking see anything. This one we've just started to split. So hopefully we can save the threads when we get the rest out. It's coming out. There we go.
Right.
Keep spinning. That's part of it. Another big old chunk.
Quite a lot of thread left.
That is going to be fine. That's all, mate. Hey! I was getting very worried that was fucked. And I was going to need a new crank because we were just going to destroy it.
I think we did quite well.
Not too bad, actually. Successfully got the second one out, so we're just going to start chasing them. The 20 TPI
tap wrench.
If Nick has got the right tool for the job.
Seems unlikely, doesn't it?
I did have a big one.
Yeah.
What happened?
Well, it shrank.
It's a bit cold out, was it?
Yeah.
Put the heater on, mate. It can't be that cold. You just didn't have a big one to start with.
Well, oh, do you reckon that was it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that does seem likely. Always got to make sure you've got enough lubricant.
Yeah.
That was a good little snort.
Like when you had that fucking ginormous syringe to fill your gearbox that you pulled from your bathroom.
It wasn't from my bathroom.
It was just, you just had it conveniently placed.
Did you?
So,
Might have to clean that up a little more.
just that upper surface.
Yeah, I think so. Might try and go the other one first.
Not changing lanes, are we? Sorry if I was tapping it.
Yeah. Probably.
That's what we want to hear.
Right, it's going.
Yeah, there we go. The first one was a bit more chewed up than the second one we managed to take out, so it's putting up a good fight. It is catching though.
Yeah, it is threaded in.
It's fine, yeah.
I think where the thread's damaged.
Yeah, it's because this one we punched through a bit too far into the wall, so we've taken a bit of the thread out.
It's also really hard steel.
Yeah. It's going to be saved at least. Work on those forearms, mate. I know you usually do.
It's just the right one.
It is, isn't it? Struggling with your left there.
It's not had as much practice.
Go for the stranger.
Paraffin.
Yeah, so clean them up a bit, clean the edges up. We just need to get rid of all of the fucking swarf that's gone down straight into the bearing.
There's a big jug full of paraffin there.
In with the paraffin.
Which would you prefer?
Trying to clean this out now. I'm just checking through Nick's drawers. What do I find? What do you use this for, Nick?
Gearbox oil, obviously.
In your gearbox, yeah?
Yes.
It's a bit brown at the top.
It's gearbox oil. It's nothing weird. Why are you making this weird?
It's nothing weird, he says.
You're making this weird.
I saw another one of these in your bathroom. Right, so we got both the plugs out. I just hit my head on the bars. Got both the plugs out. We need to give it a big ass soak in some diesel at a minute to clear all the swarf out. Just concerned some of it's gone down into the big end, so we'll give it a soak and a clean out.